Helicopters have proven to be a very valuable tool in both normal life and warfare. They come in three general types: transport, medic or air ambulance, and gunship. Helicopters' development as a strategic weapon has helped the U.S. immensely in warfare.
The first controlled and sustainable device that a pilot could be held in was designed by the Wright brothers. They didn't make the first airplane, but they did make the first controllable type. On August 8, 1908, the brothers displayed the flying contraption for the first time publicly.
The first notable design for a flying machine was made popular by Leonardo da Vinci. He never succeeded in a working model, but his design is credited. Preceding the Wright brothers, many designs for propeller-powered crafts were thought of, and they were considered to be ineffective compared to the plane. Much later, the ideas of taking off and landing vertically was a very attractive attribute. The helicopter design was picked up again and then perfected.
The first mass-produced helicopter was invented by Igor Sikorsky in 1940. The design made the helicopter much more reliable and maneuverable. Its design is still used today in modern helicopters.
In World War II, helicopters proved useful as transport and medic ships. Mounted guns for helicopters were not yet utilized until the Vietnam War. The helicopter allowed for much more strategic, operational, and overall more convenient movement of troops.
In Vietnam, the helicopter proved to be a crucial part of any mission. Heavy machine guns were no longer confined to one point. The helicopter and mountain gun combination proved to be very deadly.
The helicopter has proven itself to be a very versatile weapon of stealth, firepower, and speed. The modern-day helicopter is not too radical from its original designs. The helicopter is important to warfare. Without it, the U.S. would not nearly be as strong. From the idea from Leonardo da Vinci to the modern Black Hawk, helicopters have evolved immensely.